In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to upload your email subscriber list to MailerLite. If you're a business owner or a marketer looking to streamline your email communications with your audience, MailerLite offers an intuitive and user-friendly platform to manage your subscriber lists effectively. Whether you're new to this process or need a little refresher, these steps will guide you through it smoothly. Let's begin at the main hub of your MailerLite experience, the dashboard. Go ahead and open your preferred web browser and navigate to the MailerLite dashboard. This is where all the action starts, as it provides a holistic view of your account, from your email campaigns to your subscriber stats. Once you're comfortably settled in your dashboard, the next step is to focus on your subscribers. To do this, look for the Subscribers tab. Typically, it's located in the main navigation bar. Give that a click, and you'll be taken to another page dedicated entirely to your subscribers. This section is your go-to spot for all things related to managing your audience, from creating new lists to organizing your current subscribers. Now, with your subscribers page right in front of you, you'll see an option labeled Add Subscribers. Click on it. This step is important because it sets you on the path toward bringing more people into your community, which is essential for growing your business and engaging with your audience effectively. As you proceed, you'll encounter another option, which isn't immediately self-explanatory. It might be labeled something like Highlight. Click on it. It's a straightforward but crucial step designed to ensure that you have the correct function selected before moving on to the actual import phase. Finally, you'll reach the heart of today's instruction, importing your subscribers. Here, look for the option that says Import Subscribers and click it. This step will lead you into the import interface where you can upload your list. Make sure your list is prepared in a format that's compatible with MailerLite, typically a CSV file with properly structured columns such as names and emails. Doing so will help avoid errors and make your import process seamless. By following these steps patiently and accurately, you ensure that your subscriber list is uploaded correctly and efficiently into MailerLite. This way, you can start harnessing the full power of your email marketing strategy, reaching your audience with high-impact, personalized communication. That's it. You have successfully uploaded your email subscriber list to MailerLite. Be sure to explore all the analytics and features that MailerLite offers to optimize your email campaigns further. Thank you for joining me today, and we'll see you in the next tutorial.